Want to make sure your clients get notified instantly whenever you create a new invoice in Zoho Books? Let's set up WhatsApp and SMS notifications in just a few steps. From the Zoho Books home dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. It's usually near the bottom with a gear icon. Inside Settings, go to Integration and Marketplace. This is where you can connect third-party services like WhatsApp. In the list of integrations, find WhatsApp and click on it. You'll see a Connect button. Click that to start linking your WhatsApp account with Zoho Books. Follow the prompts for permissions or verification so everything is properly synced. Once connected, Zoho Books will automatically send out instant WhatsApp and SMS notifications every time a new invoice is created. That means no delays and no missed updates. Your clients are informed the moment you generate an invoice. And that's it. You've successfully set up instant notifications for invoices in Zoho Books. It's a simple tweak that can improve efficiency and keep your customers in the loop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick Zoho tutorials.